Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy, and today I'm going to be revealing on how you can take good care of your feet while you are at home. Don't go anywhere within your home. This is how you're going to take good care of your feet. And guys, you're not going to pay any single penny. You already paid for it. You have everything in your bathroom, you have everything in your kitchen, maybe you have everything, like, it's just gonna be a little bit of a mixture and everything. Guys, remember, it's a beauty channel, and do not forget to drink a lot of water. As Raquel, this is my friend that I can never ever leave anywhere. But for those people who are so new to this channel, please guys, remember to subscribe, and do not forget to hit the subscription bell below so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Today I'm just here to show you on how you can take good care of your feet while you're at home. I decided to find a few of the remedies. As you can really tell, I just made a little bit of some research, and I found out that mouthwash is a very great core key that you can use at home. So I've just brought the mouthwash. I'm going to take this is the one that the small becher for for shots. For those people who normally make smoothies on the shakes, this is just a top that I'm going to be using. So I'll use 4 of them and just add it in the water. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is basic. That is really that's good enough. And another thing, what you have to make sure that the water is actually warm enough, like the body temperature the water that you normally use when you're going to shower. It shouldn't be too hot, it shouldn't be cold. And then I also brought this, which is the sea salt, which I'm just going to add inside. That will also help, if my friend here has dead skin, it will help to loosen up. And then this is called apple cider. In German we call it Apfelessig. Yeah. So, and then just add the same thing. Normally the apple cider has that weird smell, so I'll just use 1. It will also help in killing off in terms of the bacteria. So the apple cider is actually very well known for that. And I'll leave the feet in warm water for, let me say, for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how the nature of the feet is. Maximum would really should be 15 minutes. And once all that is done, so if I told you don't have Essig, I would recommend you can get this kind of a bar soap, any bar soap that you have. Just add in a little bit in the water and just leave it there as well to soften, and then you can use it later to use on the feet. And yeah, and that's all. So it's basically very simple, guys. You can always take good care of your feet while you're at home. Now I've just put out the feet from water, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit on how the feet has turned out to be. This feet is not really it's okay. It has a little bit of some dead skin. Thank you. And these are some of the things that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use Lipidro Creme, which is 10% urea. And then I also have this, in case my client, my friend, if he had too much of the dead skin under his feet, I will use the one urea, which has 18%. I don't know if you can really see that, which is 18%, which is a little more higher. And these are the equipments for me, as from home, what I normally use. I just have this one, which is going to help me to scrub off the dead skin. And if I need to go a little more, I also use this one. and this will help me to soften after exfoliating. And then these are of course the nail cutter, which I'm going to be using, and this is going to be the filer that I'll use to file. As you can really be following, this is a small one in case I need to cut, something very small, and this is the scissor that I have as well to use if at all I need to clear off some skin on his nail. Excuse me. I'm gonna be using this one to go in the edges. So basically, guys, that's it. And before I go into this is something that is gonna help me to scoop out from the body scrub, which is a pink scrub. So I'll show you a little bit and show you how it looks like. I've been using this for a couple of times and it's also almost going down. So this I'll just get a little bit of like this much and go on and scrub. Let's keep going. And just in case I need to, I've made some errors. This is just like a small plaster. Sometimes people are very sensitive. Anything can just happen. Just keep it around you, but you always just have to be very careful. Like, at home, you are always knowing, and always definitely you have to protect your fingers. You can step here. So luckily enough, here his feet is really not so complicated. His feet is very healthy. But if you're out there, guys, just try to take good care of your feet. What I would also like to tell you guys that if you're cutting your nails, always try to cut them straight, because if you go in like in the edges, that's when you will start having ingrowing nails. Once that is done, I'm just going to get the scrub. Just go a little bit on, just to massage gently. Just not to be too harsh, massage gently. And afterwards, you can, once you feel like it's been really very well exfoliated, you can wash off the scrub. And I'll wash the scrub off camera. Okay, so after scrubbing the feet and exfoliating everything, as you can really tell, I'll get the cream Lipidro with Oreo, 10%, guys, and I'll just put it on his feet. As you can tell, give the feet a very nice and clean massage. You can massage your feet how you want it. Important thing is to see that the cream is going in the feet or in the skin of the feet. And that's it, guys. What do you think? I think everybody needs to be taken good care of. Just leave me a comment and let me know what your other thing that you'd like me to make the tutorial about is. And for me, I'll just be answering your answers by doing. Again, Raquel Joy is your girl. Yes, so this is the end result, and you can see feet is very healthy and happy. Thank you, guys.